Imagine building stunning, professional websites without touching a single line of code a circumflex euros. That's the magic of becoming a Webflow developer. My journey into Webflow began with a desire for visual control over web design, and the platform offered exactly that. The first crucial step is understanding the core interface a circumflex euros. Think of it as your digital canvas. You'll want to dive deep into Webflow's layout system. Mastering Flexbox and Grid is paramount. These are the building blocks that allow you to arrange content precisely, creating responsive designs that look great on any device. Then comes the styling. This is where you bring your vision to life. Familiarize yourself with the Styles panel a circumflex euros. Understanding properties like typography, color, and spacing will transform your static mockups into beautiful, functional websites. Beyond static design, you'll explore interactions and animations. Webflow's intuitive system allows you to add engaging micro-interactions, scroll-triggered animations, and much more, making your websites dynamic and memorable. As you progress, project management becomes key. Learning to organize your assets, components, and project settings efficiently will save you immense time and prevent headaches down the line. The Webflow ecosystem is incredibly supportive. Engaging with the community, exploring templates, and learning from others are vital for continuous growth. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what you think is possible. To thrive as a Webflow developer, it's a blend of creative vision, technical understanding of responsive design principles, and the ability to translate client needs into elegant, user-friendly web experiences a circumflex euros, all within the powerful, no-code environment of Webflow.